Like she's in Nashville with birds.
It's like, Betty has had some lorikeet.
Mama.
Okay, all right.
Who else wants to feed Brian's
Another one
bird?
here with the
I
bird.
do.
Can you bend down, Brian?
No, Zora. Stay right there.
Wow. Hold on, Zora.
You want to help? You want to help hold? Okay, come feed him. Come feed him, Sicky.
Go feed him.
Carefully.
Betty, come over here. Do you want to come feed Brian's bird?
Come down.
Wow.
Don't get too close.
Here, Betty.
Bella,
Betty, do you want to feed her?
I'm trying to just get her down, but
Betty, do you want to take the juice from Uncle Brian?
Get down on the floor, okay? She kind of freaked out on me, and I'm trying not to fall.
Yeah.
No, down.
Okay, before your dad stands up, who else wants to feed the bird?
Anybody else want to feed the bird?
No,
no problem. Thank you. Here. Hold it very carefully.
No, just hold the cup out. Good job, Eddie. You want to try?
Like, we've gotten so many good moments. I honestly think we should put all of this.
Try. No, just hold it. Sicky, you're spilling. Hold it upright. There you go. You want to try? Okay, you want to just stand here and look at it? Okay. You don't have to be scared. It won't hurt you. It just wants to drink.
Wait,
There's a buddy on your head.
It bit your shirt. It's by your shirt.
You don't want to give it some?
That's awesome.
I'll feed one.
All right.
Let's go feed.
Let's go find some other birds.